Good day guys, and welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel, and today we're talking about how to set a vacation responder in Gmail. So just look up at the very top right corner of your dashboard screen and click on the settings right here, and then choose See All Settings. Make sure you are resting inside the default General tab for the Rail. Scroll all the way down to the absolute base floor of the page until you spot Vacation Responder right over here. So firstly, turn it on. Right below this, click into the first day calendar cell right over here to select the exact date your automation should start tracking. If you know your exact return timestamp, you can check the last day box and set your end to date coordinates. And then in order to customize your subject, you type it in here. So it's just like composing an email right with this, but instead it's just going to be automated message. Select the subject, for example, buy, and type in message. Something like this, right? I'm just doing this for fun, but make sure to, of course, be more serious than me. And this is how you set it up, guys. And the moment someone writes you, they will get this automated message. That is it. Enjoy. And if this was helpful, make sure to like the video.